and welcome to Curry TV. So on this episode, I am not going to be cooking a curry, but yet I'm going to introduce a coleslaw that I'm going to be using in a different way. Coleslaw is very common, especially in the US. It's an easy recipe that anybody can make. Especially for July 4th, this is one of the dish that we usually have it at a table during our barbecue. Now for this recipe, let's take a look at all the ingredients that we'll be using for that. Now if you have a one-head cabbage, you can shred them like so, or you can use store-bought. They also come as in pre-packaged coleslaw cut, so you could use that. That's what I'm going to be using here. That's green cabbage, a little bit of the purple, and quarter cup of carrots in there. So this is 2 cups combined, 2 cups of cabbage and quarter cup of carrots. So that's half cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and we also added a quarter cup of parsley, quarter cup of green onion, scallions, whatever you call it, salt to taste, black pepper. That's all. So the first thing what we need to do is add all our greens into this. So this is quarter cup of scallions, quarter cup of parsley. Fresh always has this taste. Let's do that. And then we're going to give a good pinch of salt and a little bit of black pepper here, just a few cracks, right? Let's mix that. Let's set this aside. Now into our mayonnaise cup, it's already pre-measured. This is half a cup. Into that 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You don't need a lot, just a pinch would go a long ways, right? Let's mix that. Okay, let's crack some black pepper into this. It's always tastier when it sits at least for 2 hours in the fridge. So let's add in our 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and fresh lemon juice. That's also 2 tablespoons. There we go. Okay, let's mix it. It was just perfect. So now that our dressing is ready, let's add it to this mixture. Okay, let's give it a good mix. When we add any citrus to these vegetables, it will start breaking down. So it's really important that we actually put it back into the fridge so that all that flavor combines into the vegetables. So our coleslaw is actually ready. Look at this. So I'll keep it in the fridge. After 2 hours, I'll show you how that looks like. Alright, you just saw how to make an easy side salad for your next party at a barbecue event, or even you can make your own sandwiches out of this. I'll show you one of my recipes, how I use this coleslaw in one of my sandwiches for my kids. So thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. I hope you enjoy spending time with me. I'll see you next time. Did you subscribe to my channel? If so, thank you. If not, please do. I would love that. And share this among your friends and family. Thank you.